Hey everyone, I wish you a happy new year. You already made me extremely happy with the love and support that you showed me in the last video. I really can't describe how crazy that is for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My videos normally got like 30, 50, 100 views, but the last one just went to almost 1000 in 2 to 3 days. That's huge. People put in the time and effort, left a comment and or a sub. That's unbelievable. Thank you so much. I'm really glad that I can share my stuff with like-minded people and have a good time together. Your words really motivate me and mean a lot to me. I think the 2025 One Piece Challenge will be fun. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this journey. Subscribe if you're interested in collecting and please leave feedback so I can improve and hear your opinion. With no further ado. So in preparation of the challenge where I want to collect all the sets of One Piece, I got me 2 sets or 2 boxes of Paramount War. It's 7 AM right now and I came from a New Year's Eve party, so I want to keep the video short. Maybe I open the second one, it depends on what I pull in the first one, but I just don't want to make the video too long. I just wanted to show what I already prepared for the upcoming videos. So we got OP03, OP05 and OP06. What I'm doing is just I have 2 copies of the leader, 5 of each in the best case. So I will put out 1 copy of each in the collection and have a playset ready just to own it and have it available for a deck when I want to build it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I haven't opened any OP02 boxes yet, and I think this is the easier task to do now before I fall asleep. Something else that arrived today, these 2 cards. A dude sold Delucci for like 13 euros, I think, so I had to buy it. And when I saw it like in real life, this is really something that makes the One Piece TCG so special, I think, because the card quality is insane. You have these structure, ripple, foiling, and yeah, it really feels like high quality and it makes it collectible, even if it's not a 200 or 300 euro card. Having those artworks is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm happy to have this one ready for my collection. This one is EV01. Yeah, haven't opened it yet as well, but I just ordered it together because of the shipping. So I hope I will not pull this one when I open it ever. Alright, so let's start with the box. My first OP02 box. Pretty hyped. The best pull would be obviously the Ace Manga Rare. Sorry for the ring, guys, let me know if it's problematic or if you like to have a detailed look on the cards. I personally like it. Oh, we also have box toppers. I didn't expect that. Nice, that's good. Revision pack. Okay, let's start with those, I guess. So we got a Tashigi. I think I have seen this one before. Cool. What can we get here? I'm not sure what to expect. Oh, come on. I think I opened it bad. The easiest way is to open it from top to bottom, right? I'm sorry. Here we got Luffy, Kaido. This one's definitely playable. Deco Moria, nice. Ooh, the Love Love Mellow, this is a good one. I have this in my, I have this one in my Nami Blue deck. Deco Moria is in my upcoming Flamingo deck, which I will play until I yeah, Till I die, I hope no. So yeah, let me know if these are good pulls or not. I'm happy, I didn't expect those. So let me get these out here. Okay guys, first pack. Smoker or New Gauge Alt Leader or Port Guards the Ace Manga Rare. But actually I will be happy about every card because I don't own any of them. Toshigi, we already got that. Boogie and Shiki. This one is also my older version of the do I sort it now? Yes. In the older version of my Nami deck. I think in OP03 you also get the Don in every pack, right? I'm not sure how it is in OP04. Haven't opened yet before as well. Ooh, we got a Kuzan. That's big. That's really big. Nice one. I think I have 2 or 3 copies in from my old Sakazuki deck. But now I think we can play him very well in the Rob Lucci. Man, I think I don't have to struggle that much. Just put it down, dude. Sorry guys, it's again 7 a.m. Returned from a Christmas, New Year's Eve here. So maybe not my whole brain is functioning. Man, but they are not opening that easy. I'm not sure about the pull rates of the alt art leaders, but I can smell that in this box we might have one. Kobe, Yozu. I think on the left side are the better pulls. Maybe we continue with the left side of the display. So how was your New Year's Eve? Any big stories? Any crazy fireworks? Just home chilling with the dog? Or alone playing a game? I remember I played World of Warcraft on one New Year's Eve. Oh, Monkey D. Garb. Nice. This is the first alternate art of the box. Nice one. 2K. Cost 0. I think this dude sees some play in black. Black Lucci? I will put this one here. I think I've seen him in recent time. So on the upcoming Vankov would be the Roman's Dawn. I never opened that. I started with OP05 and have also OP03. But I'm pretty hyped about the OP01 opening. It's not from the first wave, obviously, but I'm just glad to get those boxes and get the cards for my set. But I'm not sure when they will arrive, but I got stuff to do until then. Judgment of Hell. Smoker, Newgate. Ace. Maybe. 9 minutes in. And we got the Masked Deuce. So far, nothing really crazy. Ooh, there we got a Odin. Shiny. But not extra wild. We can't start with bad luck in this year, so I'm pretty sure there's something else. Just need to believe in an leader. Shirō. Nothing. What's your best pull from this set? Stop. Man, maybe I have to open the second one. Okay, if you pull nothing awesome here, maybe you just go for the second one and hope. But the Garp can't be alone. This dude would never come alone. Then he brings us Utah. Bam. So we got an alternate art leader. It's not Smoker. Maybe he has no, I'm just kidding. Not Newgate. But we still have some packs. I'm not sure, can we get 2 in 1? No, I'm kidding. I'm happy to get her. Cool. That's a hit, I would say. I'm not entirely sure if the pull rates are like fixed, so you cannot get 2 of them in 1 box, but I think it is like that. Except you have like a god pack or something, but haven't got one so far. Have you? Is it all scam what you see on Instagram? There's something shiny in the back, could be big. It's Luffy. Carrot. Gum Rain, Little Sadie. The good thing about a set is you don't see so many doubles. I mean, of course it's 1 box, but I had boxes where you have like the same rares, and I think this feels kind of boring, but here you're just pulling most of the time something you haven't seen before. Kind of sad I missed it set. It's kind of the best part of the game, the early stage. This is looking badass. Nice one. Marco. Like Yu-Gi-Oh, Hearthstone, in my examples. Like the first basic set, like most of the times the best one because you play with the fundamentals and cards don't have 7 effects. Ooh, this one looks nice. Magellan. It's a good box actually, no? I had so many super rares. 2 alternate arts, 1 alternate art leader. I think that's sick. Hey, I'm just not realizing how lucky I am with this box. Oh, this one would be big. And Hina. Okay, Hina we already got. But this one's also the first copy. Oh, our first dawn. Nice one. Perfect. Thanks. To put an end to this war. I've come. Dude, you're reading it the wrong way. I know. Engage. Sengoku and Little Sadie. Okay, so we have last 2 packs, chance to get something. I think the best we can get is like a super rare, but no chance for something else. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's an alternate art hidden in this one. Did I just see it, or am I just seeing things? No, I think there is one. Edward Newgate. This is sicko. It's a big dude. I think it's not so high price, but this card is amazing. Cool. And also really nice cards for the start of the collection. I think after the 2 boxes, only the alt leaders, ace, and some secret rare might be missing. Cool, that's huge. Alternate art leader and 2 good ones. So yeah, I think we can't expect that much from the last pack, can we? Ice Age, good one. And Paradise Totsuka and a Dawn. I think this is really good. Not sure about the price. Maybe this one is 10 or 8 euros, but the golden foil, the clean font, love it. Alternate art leader I think is always huge. You can have a trashy one. I got a Holy Jones. I think it was the worst one in OP06. But you gotta take what you get. This one's cool. I'm not sure about the D-Guard, but I think it's playable. Not sure about this version. But yeah, we need it anyway. So I think those are great pulls. 18-20 minutes in, I think I'm done for that. I have to upload it as well, and then I'm going to sleep. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a happy new year. Peace.